this in Prince Philip we're here, so you can read on the sign here. And Norfolk Island. Up here we got a beautiful view. Right down there is the cemetery. We're at this one. You know, by the way, I reset the clock on the GoPro to match my phone, so it should be the same time now. So it will be a little bit different than this morning. There's down there. And there's by all these houses. This is Quality Row, I think it was. These are like officers' houses and important people. And there was the Gowl, or jail, prison, in that area. And there's our ship, the Orion, sitting out there. So we're up here. There's these other two little islands off in the distance. They said they would sometimes send prisoners over there for 6 months and only gave them like 2 months worth of food and whatever. They're really bad, but here's one place where just the ruins are left. But good view from up here. Very windy. You're going to hear the wind, so not much I could do about that. And we come back over here, and there's more of the pines up here. Down here at the top of the hill, and we got a good view of everything, as I just said to you. Right back of me, there's a cemetery over there. Quality Row is right down here. Prison is back over there. So it's windy up here. It's the afternoon. We're on Norfolk Island. This is actually part of Australia. We're in the South Pacific. Pretty much far away from everything here. But it's a very nice island. And it's really good. We got the old plaque here that we talked about earlier. So we got this here too. So everything that you want. A little bit breezy up here, but didn't get too wet with the Zodiac coming over this afternoon. Seas were a little bit better then, so alright. Don't forget to subscribe. I need subscribers. Alright. We made another stop on Norfolk Island. There's a beach down here. You can see some people down here. Looks like have a little picnic or something. Little secluded beach. Not as windy up here. It's nice. I asked about retail therapy to get some souvenirs, but this being Christmas week, we drove by the shops and they were pretty much all closed. He said they're pretty much all closed during Christmas week. So it looks like no stops. It'd be a once in a lifetime. So where are you going to find a souvenir from Norfolk Island out in the middle of nowhere here? It's like this would be prime soothes. But such is life. Not much you can do. See if they see us down there. See if they get a wave. Get a wave. No. Giving them the wave, the big wave. No wave. Not looking. Okay, sun's coming out down there, shining on them. Oh, it looks like they're packing up or something there. Whatever there, I don't know. I don't want to get too close because I'll go over the cliff. But nice blue water there, clear water you can see. A couple little rocks out there. But this is it, Norfolk Island here. Yeah. And here we are at the top up here. Making a little stop. I'm going to do a little walkabout here. Everybody stop to take photos all along here. And it's nice, it's not as windy. The temperature's just fine. He said it gets down to, I think he said 17 Celsius, which is 0 is 32, so 17 might be 45 or something, I don't know. Not too cold in the winter time here. Definitely no snow, that's for sure. So yeah, here we go. We're down here at the top, looking down at the beach back there. You can see way in back of me there. So today is December 27th, 2022, and all is well on the island. And I have to go home with no souvenirs at the island here, so I don't know what I'm going to do. Even, you know, even if I pick up a pebble or something, I might have to take something back with me, you know, just to say I was there. I'll have to make my own souvenir then. All right, see you later. Bye. Good sized tree here. Look at all this. See many of those in Ecuador and a number of other places too. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Right here by the road too here. Yeah. Look at the size of these guys. Hey, what are they doing over there? Mending some fences or something there, I don't know. Anyhow, there's a number of these trees along the road here. This is probably what he wanted to show us, I guess. Yeah, look at him here.
There's a brush, long brush.
Yeah, look at this here. You got the ones back there, the big ones coming down the road here. I'm still on Norfolk Island. Yeah, here's one of the little figs that said they're not really good tasting, but these come from these trees here. And there's a number of them on the ground. Some of them were different colors. Like this one's more brown. You get some that have a little bit of green on it. Here's one here that's all green. Probably not ripe yet. But if you're into plants and animals, hey, it's good stuff for you. Doesn't mean too much to me here, but okay. This is 100 Acres Reserve. And caution, ghost birds. Gotta use some caution there. Oh, let's go through the trick gate here. I like this. Alright, go in here so the animals can't figure it out then. Beware of cliff edges, buttonbird holes. Do a little walkabout here. 100 acres loop, some steep sections. Well, may not do those. This is where we were. Walkabout on 100 Acres Reserve. You can stop the vid. You want to read that. We're getting back on the bus, heading back to the ship here. There's a little birdie there. All right, there's our bus. Heading back now.